Weather on the One's time right here on Spectrum News. I'm meteorologist Robert Suhr. Thanks for checking in with us. And we have good news in the fact that we are expecting rainfall across the tri-state over the next week. In fact, a lot of the models hinting here 2, 3, 4 inches, maybe more through Friday. So spread out. That is exactly what we need. We don't want to get all this rainfall in a 24-hour period because most of it will run off and it won't be allowed to slowly soak into the soil, which is what we need to happen. That's what we are expecting. And we do need the rain. In Bowling Green, we've had just 5 days in September where we have seen measurable rainfall, 5 out of 20. So just a quarter of the time we've seen some rainfall. We'll probably add to that today and definitely over the next 5 days, because you see we've got rain in the forecast through at least Thursday right now. Percentages go down a little bit toward the end of the week, but still probably are there. There's also signs, according to the Climate Prediction Center, that this pattern could stay in effect for the next 6 to 10 days. This will take us out toward the end of the month. There is confidence in above average precipitation for the tri-state, which would certainly be good news. Again, a lot of cropland, corn and soybeans in this part of the region. So those farmers definitely looking for some rainfall. We'll see some of that throughout the day today, kind of coming and going. I know a few of you saw some showers this morning or early this morning before sunrise or so, and you see some of that activity kind of coming and going at times. Others will see repeated rounds. Some may see little, if any, today. 1 or 2 of these storms, especially to the east of the Natcher Parkway, might be on the severe side with a wind and a hail threat. And you see a lot more of that activity moving in by Monday morning with more periods of showers for a good part of our Monday. But again, no one day over the next 7 is going to be a washout. Mid-80s today with that pretty good chance of seeing a couple of thunderstorms and a couple of showers today. This is just the start of a pretty wet and active pattern that we'll see over the next 3 to 5 days. Tonight we're down into the upper 60s, which is above normal for this time of the year. And you take a look at the extended forecast. Again, none of these days that you see all this rain is going to be a complete washout, but we will see plenty of clouds, sort of dreary, a wet first day of autumn on Monday. But notice temperatures as we head through the week dipping back down below average into the upper 70s.
Hey, welcome.